We got some vegan gelato, vegan gelato. Got some vegan gelato. Hi, Hunnays. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a vegan gelato taste test.
And I'm gonna have a blindfold over my head for I don't know which flavor it is.
Yeah, so we previously filmed a taste test, so I just lied. And our video was so dark, so we can't use it. So what I thought is that we can blindfold each other and then we have to try to guess what flavors it is. So we got some vegan gelato by Vixen Kitchen, and they are dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, sweetened with maple syrup, and paleo-friendly, and all vegan. Yay!
Jasmine.
So are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Tell
ready to-
everyone which one's your favorite.
We've already tried these, so I'm gonna make it okay.
Yeah, so which one's your favorite, I'm saying?
Chocolate and mint.
So her favorite is chocolate. So we have naked chocolate.
Naked.
We have midnight mint.
Those are my two favorites.
We have chai eye. We have coffee cream dream. Aria. And we have naked vanilla. Okay, so gonna
You
open
better give me
these up.
chocolate or mint. I'm gonna give you mozzarella.
So, okay, blindfold on. Okay, can you see?
No, I don't see green.
So we got our bamboo spoons. Are you ready for the first one?
No.
Okay, let me show them.
Please not coffee.
Okay, ready?
Please not coffee.
Okay, ready? You have to try to guess which one it is.
Why'd you give me coffee?
That's not coffee. You have something on your teeth.
It's I.
Can you?
It's I something.
It's eye something. Can you eat it? Aria, stop. Keep your blindfold on. Aria got that one right. 1 point for you. I think I'm gonna get all these right.
Here you go.
Okay, ready for the next one?
No. Please give me chocolate.
Okay, open. Oops, I forgot to show them. Which one's that one?
Coffee.
That's not coffee.
What? It tastes like coffee.
What? That was the vanilla. Oh my gosh, this girl.
That tastes like coffee.
Okay, blindfold on. Okay.
Please chocolate. Please chocolate. Please. Mint.
Yes, you got it right.
3 points for me.
Okay, blindfold on. You got 2 points.
Oh, 2 points. That was the coffee.
Drink some water. Aria. Oh my Lanta. She don't like coffee. Well, you're a kid.
Bitter.
Are you allowed to have that? Okay. Oops, you saw me.
No, but I didn't see which kind it was.
Okay.
I hope it's not chai again.
Hello?
Chocolate!
Ew, you just spit.
It's chocolate!
You got it right, girl.
Because I know what chocolate really does.
All right, so Aria got 3 points out. No, I'm lying. She got 4 points out of 5.
So,
Mommy's turn. Here's my spoon.
No.
Aria, here's my spoon. Here's the napkin, so you can wipe it off after the taste test. Okay, so show them. So when you do it, Show them
me.
which one.
I know.
Okay.
Just
okay, girl. Okay. I'm nervous.
You like all of them anyway.
I do like all of them.
Open your mouth.
Don't. Okay, Aria, get little scoops, not big scoops, like little bites.
I did like a medium one.
No. Get little bit, because we're just doing like a little taste test.
I got
Not.
one.
Okay. Did you drop it on my leg?
Yeah. I'm gonna eat. Try to guess which one it is.
That one's naked vanilla.
How'd you know? You got 1 point.
Okay, next. Girl, put it in my mouth. That sounds wrong. Make sure you aim for this area, please. Not my pants.
You already ate this one before, Mommy. Open your mouth. Your teeth always block the way, that's why.
This one's coffee.
Ah!
For a second, I thought it was chai.
Why would I give you chai?
Aria, don't go in order. You can mix it up. Coffee one is delish, by the way. I'm not a coffee person, and the coffee is on point. Aria, is the camera good?
Yeah.
Hello.
Showing them it. You're gonna like this one.
Is that the Midnight Mint?
Let me see. Yeah.
It's like pepperminty. Is that the same as mint? Okay, I'm very knowledgeable on mint. I've never been a mint person.
Excuse me, I need to do the next one.
Is peppermint the same as mint? I hope that's not a dumb question. I'm ready.
I'm getting it ready. Open your mouth. It's gonna fall.
Mmm. Wait.
It's a mixture. I mixed it too.
Why?
Because I didn't want you to know.
You gave me naked chocolate and midnight mint.
Okay, I want to do one.
Boom. Mommy's winning.
Yeah.
Why don't you want to give me a full chocolate, huh?
Here.
Mmm. Aura. Try.
No.
What?
No.
It is.
No, it is not.
It's not chai.
No, I'll tell you what it is. It was this one, this one, this one, this one.
You gave me all of those together?
No, I didn't do this one.
You're a cheater. She purposely wanted me to fail, but mommy won.
No, you failed. Boom, chakalaka.
Okay, well, that concludes our vegan gelato guessing game. That was a lot of fun. And Aria, oh, actually it's not even that. Well, I guess it's a little done.
Can I eat?
Our favorite is the naked chocolate. I would say, which one's your least favorite that you don't like?
Nothing.
The coffee or chai?
Coffee.
I love, excuse me, I just burped. I love the coffee one.
I don't.
I would say, gosh, my least favorite is you're dripping. I don't know.
She likes all of them.
I do, I like all of them. I'm not a mint person. I like the midnight mint. I'm not a chai coffee drinker. I like the chai one. I like the coffee one. My favorite is hands down the naked chocolate. We're just chocolate gals up in here. So let's say bye.
No.
Bye guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Toodles.
Bye.
Aria, you need to stop eating the gelato. No. Oh my God. You're banned. Like, literally. Banned. Ew. Don't spill, Aria. Cochina. Eres una cochina, niña. Ay. Yeah.
See?
Aria doesn't know how to see